Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I don't really know how I want my hair to be. It's still wet, so it's looking kind of weird, but welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about how to keep your colored hair healthy, or how I keep my, how about this? 10 tips to keep colored hair healthy. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. How'd you like that routine? All right, so today we're going to talk about how to keep your colored hair healthy. A lot of you guys have hit me up, especially on my giveaway video, which the giveaway winner will be announced at the end of this video. But a lot of you guys have been hitting me up asking me like, hey, how do you keep your colored hair healthy? Because my hair is colored, if you couldn't tell. For those of you who can't see, my hair is colored. But yeah, so I got my hair colored in July. I went to Curl Fest again this year, which was in Brooklyn, New York, and that was in July during the summer. And so when I went up to New York for that, I also went to the Divachon salon in Soho, New York, and got my hair colored. I wanted to get it done by them because, of course, the DevaCurl folks know what they're doing. They only do curls, and I didn't want to risk anybody messing my hair up. So it's been about 5 months now since I've had my hair colored, because July, August, September, October, November, December. It's December now, so about 5 months that I've had my hair colored, and definitely learned some things about it, learned how to take care of it, and it's definitely been a little bit different taking care of it, but it's not too different. It's not like dramatically different. I'm gonna give you guys 10 tips to keep your colored hair healthy. The first tip, get it done at the Divachon salon. Okay, now I know everybody can't get to the Divachon salon, and I know everybody can't afford a DevaCurl stylist, right? But like, I personally went there to get my hair done because I just didn't want anybody messing mine up. Like, I didn't want to risk somebody doing my hair and not knowing what they were doing, and then my hair be like damaged and destroyed and I have to cut it. I did not want to risk that, so I went ahead and went to the professionals, because all of them in that salon know what they're doing, right? So if you can, like, if you plan on going to New York for any reason, or if there's some way where you can't get to New York, the next time you plan on going to New York, stop by the salon. Now, if you can't get to New York, I will go on the DevaCurl website and find stylists who are DevaCurl certified, because they'll be able to do pretty close to the same work, if not better. So that way they can like, you know, hook you up, make sure you're straight and not mess you up. Now, if all else fails, you could go to the store and get the Clairol box dyes. I heard those ones are like pretty good for your hair. Like, they're not too harsh like some of the other ones, and they're pretty cheap too, like $5.99 or something. But you just have to be very, very careful, because you know, who knows what's gonna happen. That's why I went to a professional. I just didn't want to deal with any of that. I might try it on my own one day, but for right now, just going to the professionals. Okay, so the next step is to be gentle when you are detangling. Okay, so when you're getting your hair colored, you're literally chemically like processing your hair, right? So when you get your hair colored, specifically with highlights, you're literally like changing your hair, right? So your hair goes through a lot, especially if it's your first time. When I first went, she was like, oh yeah, your hair's going through a lot right now, because it was my first time ever getting colored. So you want to take it really easy, especially with detangling. Your hair is going to be, more than likely, your hair is going to be high porosity hair after you get colored. I know mine is. And so you just want to be very gentle with it. It's going to tangle up a lot more. It's going to be a lot more frizzier than it used to be. It's not going to be the same way it used to be. And so you just have to be very gentle with it, or else you can be breaking hair off and pulling hair out. Now, you will have a lot of shedding. That I've noticed I've had more shedding with colored hair, but it's okay. Don't panic, but just be gentle. And that's why the Wash Day Wonder, which somebody's going to be winning tonight, but that product really makes the detangling process a lot easier, and it allows you to be a little more gentle and detangle a lot faster. The next tip, no heat. The next tip is wash that scalp good. Okay, let me tell you something. When you have colored hair, I don't think this is a colored hair tip as much as it is just a everybody's hair tip, but just make sure when you're washing your hair, wash your scalp. Like, get all up in there. Don't really worry about this too much. Just get all up in your scalp. Okay, use a lot of shampoo if you have to, but just get up all in your scalp. Literally, my hair has been growing like wildfire, and I think that's a big reason, is because when I wash my hair, I'm like I'm all up in my scalp. I'll literally open the shampoo bottle, pour it right here, like right on my head, and I just rub it. Like, literally, you have to clean your scalp. Like, literally, that's where the hair comes out of. If it's not clean, it's not going to be able to come out. So clean it. The next tip is the most important, and you all know this already. Deep condition every time you wash your hair, okay? Because when you wash your hair, you're like getting everything out, and like your hair is just naturally going to be reaching for moisture, because why? It's colored and it doesn't hang on to it as good as it used to. So it's always going to be looking for moisture. So make sure you are deep conditioning this. Like honestly, don't talk to me if you don't deep condition. If you don't deep condition, we can't be friends. I'm sorry, it just can't happen. Like, gotta cut you off. It takes time to get the results, right? So just do it, please, please. That's the only thing I beg of you. Just keep deep conditioning. Even when I got my hair colored, she was like, yep, you're gonna have to deep condition every week. I'm like, girl, I already do it 2 times a week. So what you trying to say? But she said, like, you know, your hair is gonna be a lot drier now that it's colored, so you have to keep it moisturized. The next step, which I feel like some of you guys don't do, like I feel like you be thinking it's a joke or you be taking it for granted, is rinsing the deep conditioner out with cold water. Even if it's just your ends, just do it. Like when you're washing your hair, now that your hair is colored, instead of it, your cuticles opening up like this, they're opening up like this. That's the perfect time to get that moisture in there deep. So deep condition and then rinse it out with cold water so that it can close down like that. Because your hair used to naturally close down like that, but once your hair is colored, it doesn't close down like this anymore. It closes down like this, and this has a harder time hanging on to it. So if you rinse that out with cold water, it's like, I know I sound crazy, but I'm so serious. Like, just rinse it out with cold water. Like I said, this isn't that first time thing, and it's going to be dramatically different. But over time, you are going to see your curls going to have a little more bounce back here. You know, your hair is going to be a little stronger. It's going to be a little easier to work with. Like, you're going to see the difference. You just have to keep doing it. It has to be consistent. Tip number 7, moisturize properly. I covered this in my last video, but make sure you are moisturizing properly. It's so important to moisturize properly, especially when you have colored hair, because it needs that. It needs everything it can get. You feel me? Your hair colored is like I don't really know how to explain it. I was sort of thinking of SpongeBob, but I don't think that really makes sense. But it's like it needs everything it can get. You feel me? So just keep it moisturized, please. Please, 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 please. I made a video on how to moisturize your hair. I like Alikay Natural products because all of their products are moisturizing, in my opinion. All of the ones that I've tried are moisturizing. Like every single thing is moisturizing that they make. Like it's almost like that's their number one priority, is to make sure it's moisturizing. Above all else, make sure it's moisturizing. Like that, they have a Bible of moisturization in their lab, okay? But keep it moisturized. Tip number 8 is make sure when you are styling your hair, moisturizing your hair, when you are using gel, when you're doing whatever to your hair besides rinsing out deep conditioner, make sure you are using warm water, okay? I have my spray bottle is always with warm water. I always dump the water out and fill it up with hot water, because listen, that warm water, it opens up your cuticles, right? Think about it. You just rinse it out with cold water, so the cuticle closed up, right? Now, when you're gonna put more, like style it, actually, you need to open it back up so you can hurry up and put that new on it, right? And so what you want to do is use warm water for that. I don't know, it's helped me. It helped make my curls pop a little more. So use warm water when you're styling, when you're moisturizing, when you're doing whatever, except for rinsing out deep conditioner. That should always be cold water. We went over this before, so come on. How many times do I have to tell you before you do it? Tip number 9 is just to take it slow. You know, like don't go like white, dusty, ash blonde, you know, the first time. You know, you're going to kill your hair. You know, it takes time. You want to be gentle with it, and this is, coloring your hair is a process. That's why I only got a little tiny bit the first time, because I didn't want to kill my hair. The next time I'm going to get more. I just highly recommend that. I've heard that all the time. I've heard that from a lot of different people who ruined their hair because they went bleach blonde, you know, the first time over their whole entire head, and it just ruined it, you know. So take your time, get a little bit of color, then come back. You know, I'm going to go back to Nicole at the Diva Shine Salon every year, you know, once a year, just get more color. And I might get a diva cut too, but you know, taking it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. Any of y'all know that song? Take it slow. But yeah, so take the process slow when you're getting color. You know, there's no rush. You don't need to have it bleach blonde the first time. You know, just take your time. Get a little bit, then come back, get some more. Come back, get some more. Come back, get some more until is there, you know. The last and final tip is just to leave it alone. Stop messing with it so much. Don't be touching it all day. Don't be twirling it and playing in it all day. Like, just leave it alone. Like, just leave it. You're doing more damage to your hair always touching it, messing with it, playing with it. Like, just let it be. Let it be. I used to mess with my hair all day, every day. You know, I used to be obsessed with trying to figure out my hair and all that stuff. And like, once I realized, like, yo, stop. Just chill out. Just chill out. You know how to take care of it. Just take care of it. And just do that. And just leave it alone. And I know it's hard, especially when you're trying to figure it out. I was in your shoes one day, you know, trying to figure out this hair, watching all these videos, trying to figure out what to do. And I was messing with my hair all the time. You know, once I just started to take care of it and then let it be, start growing like crazy, you know? Like, if I was talking to the old me, I would have told myself this tip: leave it alone. Leave it alone. And that is all for this video. If you are gonna go blonde, please make sure to let me know. Connect with me on Instagram, and because I would love to see your color, love to chat with you, love to talk about how your game plan for taking care of your colored hair. And yeah, it's really exciting. It's really nerve-wracking, but it's really exciting. Getting your hair colored. Hope you enjoyed that. Also, we are going to announce the giveaway winner. Drum roll, please. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find some way where I can choose a random comment from that video. So let's look up YouTube random comment picker. There we go. There we go. See, it's as simple as a Google search. You feel me? So YouTube random comment picker for YouTube giveaway or promotion. All right, so it says enter the YouTube URL. So let me go to the video, youtube.com, my channel. Now let's go to videos. Then let's go to the best way to detangle curly hair. Copy that link, paste it, and search. Amount of unique comments, 22. Oh, start the raffle. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see this. Start. Okay. It says the winner is Landy Verse. He says, in my DJ Khaled voice, another one. Thanks, Kobe. My issue is simply shampoo. I just need one that doesn't weigh your hair down, but doesn't leave it feeling like Cheetos. So Landy Verse, I actually know him, but like I said, it's fair game. You know, so congratulations for winning the giveaway. Hopefully the no poo will help you out and won't have your hair feeling like Cheetos. And hopefully the Wash Day Wonder will cut down the time for your wash day. Go ahead and shoot me like a DM on Instagram. And that's a wrap, folks. Till next time. That is not how I end my video. You already know I gotta thank you all for your time, because you know, it's just, we only got a little bit of it. You're spending it with me, you know, when it's very scarce. So and you don't get it back, right? So you know that's appreciated. You know, like I don't deserve you, you know. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to the toes on my feet. Thank you so much for watching my videos, supporting me, helping me reach my goals and my dreams and my visions and my all of that. And I will see you guys in the next one.